welcome back to our channel, The Rainbow Girls.
I'm Haley.
I'm Monica. And I'm Brenna.
And together we're Hub. And we're all sisters. And
It's Hab.
Yeah, it's Hab actually. And we're sisters, which I know Brenna, get it in the frame. I know it doesn't look like it because
She got the look from her mom. We got the look from her dad. You got
like when we're out in public, people are like, oh, they're cute friends, and we're like, bro, we're sisters. And we're gonna be dyeing
this slime. It looks purple in this container, but it's actually white.
It's kind of sticky.
Okay, guys, how much colors are in the rainbow? Sorry about that. How much colors are in the rainbow?
I know that.
How much? How much colors are in the rainbow?
6.
6. All right, take them on out. That's how old I am. Ow. She's 6. Me and Haley are 10, and me and Haley are twins.
Yeah, we don't even look like twins.
We're fraternal twins.
Okay, we'll be showing you the colors that we're going to be using. Green,
Yellow,
blue,
teal, magenta, purple,
and pink.
pink.
And then we're going to be using pink glitter.
Yay!
So should we get dyeing?
Yeah, split it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh,
No, we should just dye it all in one.
Why is there 6? No, red.
So first should we add the glitter?
Oh.
I call doing the glitter part.
No, we have to split it apart. Yeah, we have to split it into 6.
And sorry if half of us are in the frame because
Sit
we're
down, Monica.
using 2 chairs and she's
Guys,
sitting in the middle.
first of all, we need to get this used to our hands. Everybody show me your hands.
Is this from a kit?
Now, wash your hands together.
This is what we usually do. Now we can play with the slime.
To get used to it. Can I
And
play
this
too?
slime needs like a little of activation too.
I got it. We have to split it into 6 parts. I have one.
I have one.
If anybody else needs more activator. I want to do purple.
I need more activator.
I'm going to do purple, guys. So I'm going to start with purple. So yeah. Sorry, guys. Our dad's here today. So you might hear some background noises.
Yeah. I'm gonna start with the blue.
Okay, guys. Tell us what colors. No,
Teal,
guys.
yeah, actually
wait.
teal.
First, we have to split it into 6. Oops.
We need 3 more pieces, which this is.
How about we actually just do 3 colors? I'll do pink. I got purple.
I got blue.
So I guess we're making a unicorn now, guys. Change of plans.
Yeah, this slime is originally like a really, really light pink.
Haley.
This is beautiful.
Haley.
What? Hey, girl.
This was like a really faded pink, and now it's already.
Oh my god!
You got it on you. Okay, guys. So this is our first video. Sorry about the background. We will change that.
Yeah, we're working on it. We're still working on the rainbow room.
We're working on it. We got a couple of things. Okay, so you know how everybody has like what is it called? Like Target has the dog. Target has the dog. Mascot. So our mascot
Is a unicorn.
no cupcake. It's a cupcake.
Oh yeah, is it a cupcake?
We have a cupcake sign over here.
It says, "Dear cupcakes, love you."
And here is our mascot.
And we're all girls, non-transgender. This is a really beautiful blue.
This is a pretty purple. Good. Okay, mine's gonna be a navy pink then.
What's a navy pink?
I have no clue. Make a navy pink. Your hand.
I don't really care.
Oh yeah, it's summer, thankfully.
And I have dyed hands when I'm at school. Even ask Brenna, right?
Yeah, we are in the same class because we're twins. Fraternal.
Yeah, people are like, are you guys best friends?
But I do wear glasses, guys, but I'm just not wearing them right now.
Yeah, we're very different, but we have the same personality, and she's really short. I'm gonna start adding my glitter. By the way, we have pink glitter. Can I?
Yep, just a little bit, because there's only a little bit. Can you give me the activator, please?
This is our day-to-day basis. We always like make slime look pretty, and you guys can ship us and some slime for us
To
make better.
decorate, and also,
And to fix.
Yep, and also, Annika, move here. So, also, we also ship, you also can ship squishies. If you got run-out squishies, we decorate squishies. Well, we have to get some squishies to decorate before, so we want to decorate your guys' squishies. We have squishies we want to decorate, but that will be our very, very last decorating video. First, we want to do all of your guys's.
Yeah, then we're gonna do ours.
Look at how pretty purple it is,
Guys, we need to do the thumbnail. Thumbnail. Okay, we're done.
Don't you guys think that looks cool?
Yeah.
So,
Comment down below.
yeah, so do you think all these colors will go together as a unicorn horn or no?
Yeah, let's put them all together and see.
Not yet, not yet. I'm not done with my color. Mine's still sticky and
Your slime looks like a dark purple on camera, and it's actually like a really light.
Guys, mine is...
I need an activator. It's thickened.
Same.
Activator. Okay, thank you.
I already got some. So it looks different on camera. It looks like a violet, and off camera it's like
A
this.
magenta.
It's kind of magenta, so I'm adding more, and I think I'm gonna change it up a little bit. Okay, guys, if you guys think this is good lighting, comment down below.
Because we're right by a window.
Yeah, but
it's natural lighting.
Okay, guys, also, we got these white screens like normal professional YouTubers do. Like the white screens to make their thing look like...
The white circle things.
Yeah, and they're next to us. So, we're going to show you guys, but I actually don't want to show you guys, but it's ugly. Ugly.
Yeah, it's very ugly.
We're not going to show you guys, so... We might.
No.
But not today, because I don't want to get slime on it.
Yeah, and then I'm going to try making a bubble, everyone, so move everything.
Look at it, it's turning into that purple on camera. Sort of.
This slime's kind of hard to make purple, and then next video we're going to do a squishy and slime collection.
Or just squishy.
Yeah.
Because our slimes are still...
Alright,
guys, so anyway...
Since we just came back from Georgia.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, this is our first video. I don't think you guys noticed we have a mansion.
Yeah.
But
we're not in the mansion right now because there's a bad neighborhood next to it.
and we're waiting for the police to catch the people. So right now we're in the farm. We might not go back to it. I really like this house. It's not a mansion, but I like it. I like new stuff.
I do. But it looks very, very,
Like
very old.
everybody who lives in an old house would want a mansion. See, when we lived in a mansion, we just got used to it, and we want something new, so we kind of want to stay here.
Ooh, now it looks like a really, really dark purple on camera.
Mansions have so many chores. Yeah.
No, we don't have chores. We have a maid.
Well,
remember?
yeah. Well, we do here too.
Yeah. Her name's Jan.
Yeah.
She tells us what to do, which that's not possible.
Not all the time though. Just when we're home alone.
Crappy slime.
Need a little bit of.
What if this has?
Away!
By the way, she's 7.
No, she's 6.
Oh yeah, she's 7.
I'm turning.
I don't know my own sister's age.
I know she's turning 7 in a few weeks. In June 20.
Oh, look at this.
No,
This is getting really
it's
good.
August.
Guys, do you think we're ready to mix
So
it?
me and Haley's birthday is March 12th.
I'm older.
So she's by a couple minutes.
2 minutes to
2
be exact.
minutes. For the exact 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Thanks.
Okay, are we ready to mix them?
Not yet. I gotta activate mine a little bit more. And I will disappear. Bippity boppity boo. Ow.
Good job.
Me and Haley need to make ours a little bit darker.
Yeah.
Annika, you're done. Annika, you're done with that. Annika, you can go play for a little bit. We need to make ours darker. And I'm showing you guys
incomplete without glitter. Glitter is my best friend. And Annika. And Brenna are my best friends.
Annika Josephine! It's not my I know, I just said it because it felt like it.
Wait, what did you say for her middle name?
Annika Josephine.
What's that?
I don't know. It's one of my YouTube channels I watch. Remember? I'm sorry. One that you
So
watch?
sorry, guys. It's just our first video.
Yeah, we're not actually like
Performals.
professional.
Performals.
So we
Where's
can't.
the bin? They can't see my slime.
Annika! Annika, just get behind the table.
Annika Cupcake.
Annika Cupcake. Stop.
Uh-oh.
Guys, try to guess me and Haley's middle name. We share one.
Comment down below. Yeah.
Should we tell them?
No.
I want them to guess your middle name.
Okay, I'm
Okay,
gonna
ready?
tell you
Set
unicorn.
unicorns!
We have really weird middle
That's
names.
because our parents used to have a YouTube channel and we loved them. And then they had a baby. They still have that channel. And why would they? Whatever.
Oh yeah, and we also have a family vlog channel.
Yeah.
Sorry if the keeps on falling. Annika is a bad quality.
Stop.
I'm kidding.
Me
We
and
know you. We love you.
I
You're
love.
our sister. We need activator. Alert, activator.
activated next to you.
Trying to
Okay.
get the view of everyone.
Look at the white screen. Look at the white screen. We can see me in it.
I bet.
Okay, guys, do you think these colors go together?
You have to stop wiggling people.
Do you think these colors go
Should
together?
we mix them?
Annika, stop putting. No, you should go darker.
I don't
Help me!
I
You need
can't.
activator.
He got on me.
I'm just gonna like get this a little bit tighter. Perfect.
Don't work with people that much. Oh, I need glitter. If it falls one more time, I'm not getting it.
Right when you said that.
I just can't find the right camera. I'm sorry.
You're just Annika. You're just 6.
Yeah. Don't hate on Annika.
She's just 6.
Annika Unicorn Cupcake.
Cupcake. It's cupcake. No telling last names.
Please, I love our last name.
It's Cupcake.
No, that's
No.
my middle name.
Why do you keep getting mixed up?
Oops.
It's
It's flower.
Is this dark enough?
Okay, fine, guys. We're just joking around because I don't want to say our absolute last name on camera.
I'm using your.
Is it ready, guys?
No,
Yeah. Okay, ready? Roll.
Wait, hold on.
You need more activator.
Activate!
Oh, yours is like good.
It's like butter almost.
Guys, so I am going.
No, you're not. You're bad at vlogging. Last time I gave you the camera, you dropped it in the water.
Yeah, and this is actually a real camera.
We have pop sockets on cameras.
Yeah, it's weird.
Just in case, like, one time, so we can, like, hold it.
We don't have a camera stand yet, so it's really bad.
We're using like a Beanie Boo thing.
Yeah. We have to get a camera stand because it's really bad. Annika, stop.
No, we need a tripod.
Yeah.
We need a,
Tripod.
GoPro.
Or an actual camera.
Yeah.
actual.
Now have Haley add the rest of the glitter.
That's a lot of glitter. I only got a little.
Yeah, you just put in the water.
Is that good?
Yeah. Okay, I can hardly see I need my glasses.
Go get them then.
I don't know where they are.
You look like a nerd with them.
I'm gonna have to get my contacts.
Oh yeah. All right.
Guys,
sure.
I also got contacts, but she doesn't like them.
Yeah, I got contacts too, which I love my glasses. It makes me me.
Yeah, I don't like glasses. I like contacts. But But I have to get them in. I'll be right back, guys.
Guys, should we mix them while she's waiting? Or should we
Here, I'll mix them with you, and I'll just skip them.
And then we'll
Okay, guys. First, Annika and mine.
Yep. Now we're gonna make a sandwich. Move it to the middle. And then I put mine on
Guys,
top.
we should film it.
Yeah. Can someone grab it?
I can't.
Now I'm gonna put this on top. Now, Brenna, put this on top. Can I put that on top?
Annika!
Put this on top?
Yes.
Yeah, mix. That's so satisfying.
These colors look so pretty together.
So satisfying.
Leave your head, Annika. Stop mixing. Put it in the container now.
Wait, we need more activator.
More activator!
It looks like...
That's good.
Oh.
Ew!
It's more like unicorn poop.
Yeah, what color? Look it.
That's so pretty. We should leave it how it is.
Yeah.
In the container.
In the container it goes.
We're putting it in the container.
It's more of a galaxy.
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching our channel. Thank you all
Like,
for watching.
comment, share, and subscribe. And comment down below if you like this line. And comment if you want more videos.
And like it if you like this video. And give it a thumbs down if you did not. And let me know not to do any more videos like this. Thank you for watching.